Is Microsoft Office Framework reporting the Osf Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Access the official Osf Library Diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Osf Library, the Office Shared Framework Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of modern Office add-ins, JS and web-based. It facilitates the data link between web-based content manifests and the native Office host application environment. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of Microsoft Office Framework to repair the core installation and restore the necessary Osf Library DLL component. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Osf Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Remember that Osf Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Osf library management. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Osf library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.